Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in this quick guide, I'll show you how to download a transcription script of your recorded conversation. Calilio's transcription script feature automatically converts your call audio into text. You can then download and save these transcripts for easy reference or record keeping. Now let's look at how you can do that. First, access the call box by clicking on the number that holds the conversation that you want to transcribe. Scroll through your list and select the conversation for which you want to download the script. Then click on this button, that is the transcript button. The transcription script will automatically be saved to your device. And that's it. The transcript is ready to review anytime. And that's how simple it is to download transcription script in Calilio. Keep your communication records organized and accessible whenever you need them. If you ever run into issues, our 24/7 support team is always here to help. Thanks for watching.